I've been thinking about starting a portfolio in product photography and I haven't. I don't know, I think procrastination is like some illness that, if it goes untreated, I guess you just die creatively inside. And the excuses I tell myself so I could get out of working on a project is like just crazy. And you get a lot of those excuses stacked up over a period of time. And it's easy to pass off the important things as hard work, and picking up a controller or a cell phone is needed for quote unquote relaxing time. For beginners, it's important that we showcase our work and just work hard on smaller projects that you could use to add in your portfolio to show to potential clients that you're worth taking a chance on, versus a professional, or at least to be able to show that you're on your way to becoming a professional. I can't lie, these photos exceeded my expectations, and I'm really appreciative of everyone who stopped by. And for those who made it this far, I'm gonna be popping up some magazine edits just to show you how even more professional they look when they're edited and put on a magazine cover. They turned out really awesome, and all I did was just use some sunlight, a backdrop, my camera, and just objects that I found around the house. And I'm happy you guys are here to check them out, and I'll see you in the next one.
And remember, class, work hard and no goofing off.